Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Civil Everywhere. I am Neeraj and in this video I will be showing you a walkthrough of a 4 BHK house which has been completely constructed but the interior work is still going on. So before going to that, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you will be notified every time when I upload a new video. So without making any delay, let's start this video.
This is a flat which is located in second floor. So this is the entrance. And as we get in, we will be in a living room. And the dimension of the living room is 14 feet by 22 feet. And this is the false ceiling which we have chosen for a living room. Still there is lot of interior work to be done. As you can see, we have used a vitrified tiles for flooring. And over here we have a TV unit. And after living room, this is our kitchen area. Our kitchen will be a modular kitchen, and here we have left a place for a fridge. And this is the window which provide a good lighting and a good air for ventilation. And here will be the kitchen slab. There is lot of work to be carried out over here. The size of the kitchen is 9 feet by 12 feet. And as you can see here, then inlet and outlet for a sink. Just beside the sink, we will be having a puja room over here. But during the interior work, we will be completing the puja room. And this ventilation will comes inside a puja room. As every kitchen need a storeroom, we have also provided a storeroom for this kitchen as well. And we have used granite for the partition work to make a shelf. The size of the storeroom is 5 feet 9 inches by 5 feet. We try to use maximum space out of it. And after the kitchen, we have a dining area over here. And after dining area, we will be getting into a master bedroom number 1. And in here, we have placed a wooden tiling which will be looking similarly to the wooden. And this will be the false ceiling of our first master bedroom, which is quite beautiful. And we have used UPVC windows all over the house. For every windows and ventilation, we have used only UPVC windows. The dimension of this master bedroom is 10 feet by 14 feet. And at the center we will be having a bed area. And exactly opposite to that, we will be placing a TV unit over here. After completion of this interior work, I will be uploading another video. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon. And this is the washroom. And the dimension of this attached bathroom is 8 feet 5 inches by 5 feet 1 inch. Yeah, here corner we have provided a place for a sink where you can see inlet and outlet. This is the wall mounted commode and outlet of a washroom. And this is the false ceiling. And you can see the inlet for the rain shower. We have provided a waterproof false ceiling in all the bathrooms so that if it gets water from the bottom, then it won't get damaged. And this is our walk-in area. And this comes to an end of our first master bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Generally, this is a boys' bedroom. and this is a simple false ceiling over here. and the dimension of the room is 10 feet by 7 feet 11 inches. And here there will be coming a study table and a wardrobe over here. Again UPVC windows, as I mentioned, we have used only UPVC windows. After second bedroom, we will be coming to the common bathroom. So this is our common bathroom, and the dimension of the bathroom is 7 feet 10 inches by 4 feet 1 inch. And you can see the fall ceiling, which is again waterproof, and a window. Here we have used anti-skid flooring, and this is the Indian style water closet, and the dimension of it is 3 feet 7 inches by 4 feet. And you can see our UPVC window, where we have provided a separate place for our exhaust in this window. So after this, now I will be showing you the utility area, where you can place a washing machine. So we have given some place to keep your soaps, etc. And the dimension of this utility is 13 feet by 4 feet. So along the length is 13 feet, and the width is 4 feet. Again here we have used anti-skid flooring and an outlet. Here you can see the inlet and outlet for a washing machine, where you can place a washing machine over here and take a connection. So after the utility, we'll go to the master bedroom number 2. So this is our third bedroom, and here we have used wooden tiling. Again similarly it looks like a wood, and the dimension of this bedroom is 10 feet 2 inches by 13 feet 7 inch, and we have placed a large UPVC window for proper lighting and ventilation. And here will be the bed area, and this side we will be placing a TV. So here we will be providing a sofa cum bed, and this will be the fall ceiling. So still many work is to be carried out, and we will be providing a wardrobe over here. You can also see a fall ceiling here also. So after this, let me show you a attached bathroom. The dimension of this bathroom is 9 feet by 4 feet 7 inches, and you can see a wall mounted commode. Again a window with exhaust to be placed at. And anti-skid flooring and waterproof fall ceiling. Still fine work has to be carried out, and this is the inlet and outlet for the sink. Now this is the walk-in area, and the size of this walk-in area is 12 feet 6 inches by 5 feet, where you can place a wardrobe, dressing table, etc. as per your needs. So this completes our third bedroom, and coming to the final bedroom, that is fourth bedroom. And here the dimension of this bedroom is 9 feet 6 inches by 11 feet 9 inches, and we have provided an attached bathroom for this bedroom, and this is the fall ceiling. which is something different from all the other false ceilings in this house. So the flooring we have used is vitrified tiles, and at the center we will be providing a bed, and exactly opposite to it there will be a TV unit. And this is the bathroom, and the size of this bathroom is 4 feet 7 inches by 4 feet, and sink, inlet and outlet for the sink. Again UPVC window with an exhaust, still to be provided exhaust, and waterproof false ceiling. So this is the place for the balcony. Either we can make it as a balcony or it can be used completely inside the bedroom as well. So I will be uploading another video of this same house after completion of the interior work. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you will be notified every time when I upload a new video. So this is the balcony view which you can get from here. So this is the 4 BHK house walkthrough. So make sure that you hit the like button if you like the video, and also please do share with your friends as well. Thank you.